Hello. If you have never used Jamboard before, this is an amazing tool for annotation, which we're going to do a lot in this class. So the story I have already put in your Jamboard. You're going to get your own copy of this so you can edit it. And what you're going to do is there's a couple of options here. This button goes for sticky notes. You can pick the color and write in them. And once you write in them, let's say I write hello. You cancel and then you're free to move them around. So what I've said for the prompt here is add sticky notes for anything that you can connect to in your own life. So your sticky note might start, "This reminds me of," and you can even drag the sticky note with the sentence starter and just go duplicate and kind of fill in your own ideas. So two options are to create a new sticky note over here, or to press duplicate. Okay, if you write the wrong thing, you just delete it and it goes away. And what we're doing is we're noticing sensory details, so things you can see, hear, smell, taste, right? We know those make good stories, and you're gonna grab this pen here. When you put it on the brush tip, it's a highlighter, and we're gonna use green for sensory details. So a sensory detail here, right? Can't you see they smell like a broom, right? You can actually smell or imagine the smell of a broom, right? And then the other thing that we're gonna do is use red, and we're gonna switch from the highlighter to a regular pen here. And the red is for underlining dialogue. So the author of this story, Our Good Day, Sandra Cisneros, does a kind of unique thing in that she doesn't put quotation marks around her dialogue. That's just her style as a writer. When you write, I'm going to ask you to put quotation marks around it. But for now, we're just noticing the dialogue. Something that does in the story is really helps us imagine we were there hearing what the characters hear. So you're going to underline dialogue in red.